Everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks for visiting with me today. I've got a quick and easy, super cute little treat holder for fall or Halloween. Perfect for anyone. And once again, I am using the Harvest Hellos bundle. This is the Harvest Hello bundle with the matching apple punch. And this is the cutest stamp set, you guys. I have used it repeatedly. And here is, if I can get myself, there is the item code if you are interested in it. Yeah. Okay, I'm still getting back in the swing of doing these videos, you guys, but you've seen me use this a gazillion times. I'm loving it. It can be found on page 49 of our holiday catalog, this one, and it's right here, and it's a bundle, and it is super duper cute. And you save 10% if you purchase it together, so you gotta love that. I've got my snips, I've got my paper trimmer. Good news, you guys, coming soon is the new paper trimmer. I posted a video of a sneak peek of it yesterday on my blog, so check it out. I'll have all the links down below. Just hit the show more tag under this video and everything will drop down and there'll be links there for you. I've got glue dots. I've also got some tear and tape, Cajun Craze. I should have opened this because I got my fingers all yucky earlier. My Cajun Craze ink pad. I'm also using, this is another punch that made, looks like this. It made poinsettias. I'm not even sure if it's still available, but it looks like this, and I'm going to be using that as well. And so I'm going to show you how to do the pumpkin one today. And I just got our linen thread. I'm going to try to make a little bow for you again. Let me set this over here. I'm going to be using the little Hershey size goodie treats. I get them, they're called little miniatures. I get them like this, and you can tell Mama's been eating them again. Eee! My little pokey tool and just some scraps of pumpkin pie. So let's get started. I've got my piercing mat too. It makes for getting good impressions. So let's start with, let me move that over there. Let's start with cutting our piece. So you're going to need one piece that measures 1.5 inches wide. Sorry if I'm not in frame here. 1.5 inches wide by 3.5 by 3.5. This is so simple. I'm going to be making a ton of these for all the gals in my Bible study class because, oh my gosh, there's so many of them. So many girls. It's wonderful. Okay, let's come in with our scratch piece and our Cajun Craze. I'm going to set this piece just to the side real quick. Now I'm going to stamp 2 of these of the pumpkin, and I'm doing it on pumpkin pie, but I'm using Cajun Craze, and I did that because I wanted it to look like a deeper coloring around the edges, but I didn't want to use brown and make it look kind of dirty-ish. So that is going to be all the stamping with that color. And then I had a black, which of course now I can't find. So I'm at my other desk again. Hold the phone. I think I'm just going to keep this memento over here. You're going to need the memento. Sorry about that, folks. Okay, hold the phone. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. I have my Memento Tuxedo Black ink and also a scratch piece of Old Olive. So I am also going to stamp Hey There Pumpkin in my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I'm going to do that like so. All right. So that's it for our stamping. Really easy. Let's punch out our pumpkins because they're so cute. Gosh, this just is such a little cute treat. And then I'm going to save those little bits and pieces because I can use them on another project. So it's always nice to have things at the ready. Easy peasy. All right, let's set that aside. And then I am going to take, again, this is this punch. It's from last year at the holidays, and it made poinsettias, but I like the leaf on it. So I am going to cut this, or punch it, if you will, from the side. And then I have a cute little leaf. All right, so that's everything we need. Let's put this together. Yep, baby. All right, I'm gonna actually, before I do that, I'm gonna make my little bow, because if I'm not trying to hurry, it'll come out perfectly. If I'm trying to hurry, then it won't. And I probably wasted a little more than I needed to, but that's okay. All right, I'm gonna set that now off to the side. Oh, and one other thing. See, I'm still getting good at this. I'm going to stamp the little pumpkin face on this. And at the end of the video, I'll show you another one that I did. Because I know not everybody likes Halloween. You know, one of my sweet friends, Miss Sybil, she had mentioned that she's not a fan of Halloween. So, you know, you have to be aware of that. Not everybody likes it, and that's okay. All right, so I'm going to take my little chocolate now and some glue dots, and I'm just going to put a couple on the bottom. You could use the tear and tape as well. That would make it easy. And I'm simply gonna, you know, this isn't perfect, so I'm just gonna put it in the middle and then fold my sides up like so. And then I'm gonna put a few glue dots up at the very top. And I'm really gonna reinforce this just because I'm that kind of a crafter. I don't want things to like come apart in somebody's hand. So you're gonna have what looks like this, a little triangle piece. Super easy. And next, I'm going to take more of my glue dots, which I can probably tear that off. That long tail gets aggravating. And I'm going to put on each of the back sides of my pumpkin, up at the top, another glue dot. I love glue dots. And while I'm here, I'm going to do my little leaf. Let's just do them at the bottom too. Why not? I'm not even going to use my tear and tape today. Just going to roll these out because they're fun to pick up and put on projects. Plus they hold like nobody's business. These are great too. If you guys have ever had problems with glitter paper, use glue dots. So I'm just going to line this up and press. So now we have this. And then I'm going to come around to the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to kind of line it up as best I can and then push the top part here together so it comes together. Eee! It's so cute. I'm going to take the hey there pumpkin, and I'm just going to roll into a little tube-like thing. Another glue dot. I'm going to take my bow and I'm going to put it right next to this cutie pie. Super duper cute. Look how cute, you guys. That is such a darling little treat. Darling. And how fun is that to make someone's day by giving them a little chocolate. Super cute. So here's the one I just made. I'll put it like this. And then I also did one, because not everybody likes Halloween, I did an apple. So let me try and zoom in here for you. I did a cute little apple, and this one says, "You make me smile." And then I used our linen thread, which is just a little bit thicker than our, this one. Aren't they cute? So there you have it, you guys. That's how you make these super cute and easy little projects. I hope you like this. I know, I think these are darling, and I'm going to be making a bunch of them for friends and neighbors. I love to give treats, and of course, all my ladies at Bible study. So there you have it. I hope you like this quick and easy project. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And as always, great big hugs from me to you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, or consider it if you enjoyed this video. Hit the bell notification button. That way you will see all my new and latest projects. Thanks again, you guys. Have a happy day. Bye-bye.